Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to or where to find the pro settings such as showing yesterday's items, hiding calorie recommendations and so on the Arise application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the diary icon down below, which is the first one, and after that on the three dots icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Tap on settings and click on pro settings, which is the last option. Here you can select the show yesterday's items function, meaning that you can display a list of items you added the previous day for the same meal. You can also hide the calorie recommendations on the dashboard by activating the second function. You can also add the second and the third snack to the dashboard. So these functions are only available to premium users of the application. You can purchase the premium by going back to the previous section and tap on the Arise Pro button, and here you can check out the packs that are available or the offers. And here if you scroll down you can read about the advantages, the achievements, progress charts and so on. So if you are persuaded and you would like to purchase the pack, click on the Start My Journey button and then you will be able to purchase it. That's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.